Hello guys, welcome my channel. How are you? I am fine. Today I am explaining the full detail and I am teach you the flood insurance. How can you fly flood insurance full detail I will give you on this video. Watch full video. Don't skip the video. You are skip the video. You do not understand the full video. Let's start the video. Flood insurance. Definition. How it's work, coverage and examples. What is flood insurance? Flood insurance is the type of property insurance that covering the valley lost submerged by the water damage, special due the flood and flood many cause of event, programmatic land and metal snow, coverage by the stomata struggle, block storm and the system coverage by the data. Ampere place of flood consider VS managements. Every type of the damage description it is the cause of universal uncover if you cannot get the supplement of insurance. How flood insurance work? A type of category insurance is the flood category of insurance. The policies is the different basic of hazardous insurance coverage. The content policies flood insurance policies are available for all home and community properties. Standard home insurance coverage by internal water damage due to factories like stomata, Bram species and how the discovery coverage by discretion and damage cause of flood water and properties our who is the live area protection flood using need and get special insurance. Flood insurance is the basic scale where like other insurance produce the insurance protects you wow the per day annual is the best protection flood rank and distributing this cheese. It is the properties over the continuity damage discovered by the flood causing of many other requirements are here to utilizing the damage discovering by the flood causing the energy even the rain and slows to matters and their ranking and receive the cause amount of money requirement replacement and the many trading regulation of the structure properties limited. Unlike standard policies, flood insurance requirements that are the policies by the spread policies coverage by the astonishing coverage. This coverage has backup and backup was not cause of ranking flood water. Imported of flood insurance requirement coverage of the frequency backup, moderate and properties requisition of ozone and many other ranking of flood. Nation of flood programs and nation of programming NFP are the recognizing. Management has been followed these steps recognizing and many other quantities are these NAP and flood plans. These are the currently policies. Note by PNF and GF in energy as the Management Academy agencies has been covered by the X moderate and other regions are here to provide us. The guidance region has been many declaration.